My name is Jason and this is my story. I'm a youth arts worker and a creative learning practitioner. Coming from a disadvantaged working class background, it was quite tough growing up, not having what the other kids had and, being one of the few families in the community that came from a black, Asian, ethnically diverse background. We used to get, looked down a little bit by the other, families in the community and, just didn't get the same opportunities. It was quite tough. My experiences of inequality are many, but as an example, I've only once in my life been on an interview where there's been a black, Asian or ethnically diverse person on the panel, and I've never worked in a place where there's been a person from a diverse background who's been in a position in that company higher than me in any department. I think large organisations like councils need to acknowledge the inequalities and realise not all communities have the same opportunities, and we really have to do something to remedy that. I'm black, born in Wales, and all I'm asking for is a fairer Wales. So when you're making decisions, think of people like me.